If you need a fully customized and adapted setup sheet and you do not know how to create it yourself, don't worry. As a SolidCAM customer, you always have an option to contact your local reseller and ask for help. For defining a new template, you'll need to provide us with the following basic information. First of all, we'll need a demo CAM part containing at least 2 operations with 2 tools. This is a minimum requirement. More information is always better, and if you could provide a better CAM part, then we strongly suggest you to do so. Here, you can see one part that could be suitable for such need. Next, you'll need to create a final document, preferably in Excel, but you can also do it in any other software. If you use Excel for this, then you should share that file, but if you are using some other software, then you could share us the exported PDF file like this one here. If possible, the best thing would be if the used data inside your final document can correspond with the demo part you provide, because this way we could verify that the setup sheet result is equal to the output you wanted. Third and last, if there are any special fields which require something specific, then you could use cell comments to clarify it for us and explain the workflow of that field. These are the basic steps taken for defining every setup sheet template.